Hi, welcome to On Site Insights with TWS, where we take you inside some of the projects we're working on. This week, we're visiting one of our teams in East Leeds, who are putting a 4x4 roof on a conservatory. We asked the guys just how long it took to get started on a project of this size.
To actually get the frame up, about 2 hours, plus an hour taking the old roof off. More or less, yeah, 3 hours. Obviously depending on what size roofs they are, but yeah. By the time I leave today, it'll be all watertight, ready to finish off tomorrow. Outside's all tiled. Yeah, these are what they call Roman tiles. It's a little bit different to flat tile. They're like a normal tile in your house. It's basically, some people have them to match their house. What's already there. If they've got flat tiles in their house, they'll have the flat tile, mixed tile. These ones, if they want the Roman, and what's on their house. Just fixing all this back to the wall so it's nice and tight. Yeah, so what we're doing now, we're going to get it ready for plasterers. Put pelmets up so they can get the spotlights in. And then plasterers come tomorrow, it'll all be ready for them while we finish outside. Well, what these are flashing kits for your Roman tiles. This is how the way that comes flexible, so you can bring it onto half of your tile. And you've got a flashing kit that goes all the way around them. So if any water does get in, it comes out your flashing kit. Straight down into your gutter. What these are airlats that go up the ridges. And what this is an expandable tape. So so it expands onto your tile, so there's no water that can get basically in onto your ridges.
Smooth Extra. Get a full 5-day weather forecast.
This is what we're just putting here is you go through your face and into your internal. It's what you call a trickle vent. It's basically just to a bit more ventilation in your room. Yeah, that's basically 2 days roof off, roof on, 2 days work.